Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Maths Paper 1, only way. Start by creating a focused weekly plan and prioritize weak topics. Mix short study sessions with active recall. Write out and test core formulas daily. Use concept maps to see connections. Schedule timed past papers each weekend. Review mark schemes and common errors. Keep sessions short and consistent so progress compounds naturally. Treat practice as the heart of your study. Simulate exam conditions with timed papers and no notes. Review each mistake and rewrite full solutions until they are clear. Alternate problem types to avoid narrow practice. Focus on method marks as much as final answers. Keep a mistake log and revisit it weekly. Aim for steady improvement rather than perfection in one sitting. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help more students. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab little trees, black ice shown here. It makes study drives much more pleasant. I've put the link and some deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When you review, be surgical. Identify recurring errors and turn them into micro lessons you can practice in 10-minute bursts. Use spaced repetition for formulas and problem types so memory sticks. Rewrite incorrect solutions step by step until they make sense. Get targeted feedback from teachers or a study partner on technique and presentation. Track progress every 2 weeks to adjust the plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.